Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can create a Facebook account on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. All you have to do is make sure that Facebook is installed on your phone and then simply open the application. So this is the first page that you will see. So if you already have your account, then you can simply tap on them and log in. But if you want to create yourself a new account, you'll have to tap on this button, create new account. So after doing that, tap on create new account. And then here you'll have to write down your first name and last name. So after writing down your first name and last name, tap on next. And then here you'll have to write down your birth date. So after writing down your birth date, here tap on next. And then select your gender. After doing that, tap on next. So in here, if you want to sign up with your mobile number, here simply write down the mobile number. Here simply write down the mobile number, then tap on next. Then a OTP will be sent to your mobile number and all you have to do is write down the OTP in order to get verified. But if you want to sign up with your email, tap on this option, sign up with email. So in here, simply write down your email address. After writing down your email address, tap on next. Then in here, you'll have to create yourself a strong password for your Facebook account. You'll have to remember the password should at least be of 6 letters or number. So after creating yourself a strong password, tap on next. Then here tap on I agree. If you get an option like this, all you have to do is tap on continue creating account. Now a confirmation code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is open your mailbox in order to get it. Now in here, you'll get a confirmation code from Facebook in your email inbox. All you have to do is open it. Just like this, here you can see Facebook has sent me the confirmation code. All I have to do is simply copy it and paste it. So after writing down the code, tap on next. And now if you want to add down your profile picture right now, you can tap on add picture, or not, you can tap on skip. Then here you can see you have successfully created yourself Facebook account. Then all you have to do is tap on next in here. And if you want your contact to have access of your Facebook, you can tap on continue. If not, tap on don't allow. So in here, if you get any friend suggestions, you can add them if you want, or not, you can simply tap on next. And then in here, again, your mobile number or email address will be asked. If you want to add it down, you can do that, or not, you can tap on skip. Then after doing that, here you can see we have successfully created ourselves Facebook account. You can tap on this menu option right here. And in here, you can see here your name is right here. And that is it. This is how you can create yourself Facebook account on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.